see something little blue.
Yeah, let's get our shovels. So yesterday, Hudson was playing in this huge pile of dirt with all his toys, but they came back with the tractors and pushed it all against this edge. So we think all his toys are lost in this big pile. So we're trying to use shovels to find the toys, but
it's too hard.
It's too hard. So what do you think we should use?
Backhoe.
A backhoe to dig it out? Y'all want to do that? Let's do it. We've dug it. Let's get our shovels, see what we found. Let's see if we can find some of your stuff. Oh, we gotta climb up there. Oh, it looks like we see something.
I see something red.
We see something red. Get it, Hudson, get it.
Wow.
Oh. Let's get that. There he is. Oh, let's see. Look at this.
It's some of Daddy's things.
It's a red weight. Were you out here lifting weights? Let's see those muscles. Show them your muscles. Wow. Look at those things. He must have been out here lifting weights. So, what else do you think is red? A tomato. Tomatoes are red.
Yeah?
My shirt's red, silly. My shirt's red. Strawberries are red. There's a lot of things that are red.
And Swizzle's green.
So there's one thing that we found. Maybe there's something else in this pile. Let's see if we can find something. Ooh, we think we see something in there.
I see something little blue.
Yeah, let's get our shovels. Let's see what this is in here. Ugh. Oh!
It's a cup.
It's a blue cup. Uh-oh. Huh. He must have been out here drinking his juice in the blue cup. What else is blue? I know something really close that's blue. Your shovel, silly. His shovel is blue. The water is blue. The sky is blue. And what else?
Blueberries.
Blueberries, silly. I don't see anything else here. Let's dig a hole over here, see if we can find some more toys.
Yeah.
We're taking a quick break to throw some stuff in the water. This is what Hudson wants to do. Whoa.
What was that thing?
That almost got me wet.
What that thing was?
That's a big dirt clod. You gonna throw a big one? Whoa, you okay? Here, use those muscles. Let's see how far he can throw it. Whoa! You got dirt in your hair. So we dug our hole. We might have had a misrun because I don't really see nothing. Do you, Hudson?
Yeah!
Oh, look! Hudson's right. That's why I couldn't see it. It's a hat and it looks camouflage. No wonder I couldn't see it. Ugh. Wow, there's Hudson's camouflage hat. It was so hard to find because it's camo. Hey, if I put this on, you think it'll make me invisible?
Yeah?
Let's see.
Where'd you go, Dad?
I'm right here. Camouflage hat, it's so silly. I feel like there should be something else in this hole though, Hudson.
Yeah.
Huh. Let's look around. Let's see if we can find anything. Look at all the holes. Oh, did you hear that?
Look at this thing.
Look under your foot, silly.
Huh?
There's something yellow in there. Let's dig. Whoa, look. There's something right there. It kind of looks like a tractor. Almost like the backhoe we're using. Can you get that? Use your muscles. Whoa, what is that? Ooh, there's one of your dump trucks. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. It's like the sun. The sun's yellow. This is yellow. What else is yellow? Can you think of anything else?
Something.
He's too busy digging. Bananas are also yellow.
No,
You okay?
there's something.
He's ready to dig. Let's see what else we can find.
To waddle you need one.
Okay, I'll run when it hits the water. Y'all guys ready? Here we go. Whoa!
Not too wet.
A little bit. We better go back to finding your toys.
I can't find nothing.
We can't find anything. There's only 2 more.
I see something
What?
on your head.
My head? What? Oh, well there's one of his things right there. What color is this?
Green.
Green. This is green.
It's a time castle.
Yeah, for sand castles. What do you think's what else is green? I can think of a few things. Ooh, the trees behind us. Those are green. You know what else is green?
What?
Grass is green. A lot of vegetables are green. Eat your vegetables. Like broccoli. Broccoli's my favorite. What's your favorite?
Oranges.
Okay, his favorite vegetable is oranges.
No, oranges are fruit.
Oh, it's a fruit? You're right.
I tacked it up.
Uh-oh, he's stuck. Here, let's put this one aside. Ugh. Okay, we only need one more toy. There's only one more toy, but I can't find anything.
You're stepping on something.
I'm standing on one? Oh, look, there's some tires.
I pulled it out.
Ooh, there's your monster truck that you're playing in the dirt with. Just like that.
Yeah.
So what color is this monster truck?
Red.
He's red and he's black.
Yeah.
Ooh, red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Silly Hudson. Well, looks like we found all your toys and we should clean this mess up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's push all the dirt back onto this pile so we don't just leave a mess everywhere.
No, we can throw it in the water.
We hope you all enjoyed our video with the backhoe, because I did, I know Hudson did, finding all his toys that he lost, using the backhoe, digging with the shovel.
And subscribe.
Yeah, like Hudson said, thumbs up and subscribe and click more of our videos, right?
Yeah.
We got tons of tractor videos, right?
Yeah.
We had fun. Bye, until next time.
So next time, and put on one of Hudson's videos.
Click on one of Hudson's videos.